Have you noticed something strange lately? Every week, another company announces new AI tools. Some people are excited. Others are worried. Because one big question keeps coming up. Will AI take your job? The answer isn't as simple as yes or no. Here's what's really happening. Artificial intelligence is becoming better at repetitive tasks. It can write emails, analyze data, create images, answer customer questions, and even write computer code. Because of that, some jobs are changing. Companies are using AI to save time and reduce costs. But here's the part many people miss. Throughout history, new technology has replaced some jobs, while creating entirely new ones. The internet created millions of careers that didn't exist 30 years ago. Smartphones created app developers, content creators, and digital marketers. AI is likely to do something similar. The people who may benefit the most aren't those who fight AI. They're the ones who learn how to use it. Think of AI as a powerful tool. Just like a calculator didn't replace accountants, AI probably won't replace everyone. But people who know how to use AI may replace people who don't. That's why learning new skills matters more than ever. The future doesn't belong to AI. It belongs to people who know how to work with AI. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and join $Vest for simple videos about money, investing,